Hi teacher, I am David Verano of the engineering emphasis, and today I am going to prepare a pizza. The ingredients that we need to prepare it is cheese, jam, sausage, ketchup, pink sauce, pepper, onion, and sugar and tortillas. So we started preparing the sauce for the mass, putting ketchup, water, and sugar in a bowl, and mixing all ingredients, finding a thick mixture. Now, with the sauce, we need the tortillas that we are going to prepare. In my case, I am going to prepare two pigs. So we need two tortillas put in the table, and we gonna spread the sauce evenly in the tortilla. Now when we have the tortillas with the sauce, we're gonna scratch the cheese for spread in the tortilla evenly. Now when we have the cheese in this form, we spread in all the tortillas with love in all the tortillas. Don't be stink. Now with the sausage, we're gonna chop the sausage to fry them, to put this in the pizza. While the sausage is fried, we're gonna chop now the onion. Now we put the onion too in the grill. And put with the onion the pink sauce. And in the grill we mix the sauce and the onion. Now with the jam, we're gonna chop in tires, but the jam doesn't go to the grill. Put in the cheese directly. Putting the jam in this form in all the tortilla. When the sausage look like this, they are ready. So we put the sausage in the table again to put this in the pizza. And now And the meat that look like we put in the table too. And in the cheese. With the pepper spread in all there. And if you want, you can put in there salt. And finally, with the onion, we put in the pizzas in this form. And we put the tortillas in the grill to toast for 1 minute. Now with the final step, we're gonna put the grill in the gratinator to mix color of the cheese. And this is the moment that we are all waiting for. So look at the final pizzas. Finalizing our breakfast, we're gonna serve the pizzas with yogurt. And now, this is the moment.
Se distinguen los sabores, o sea, se sabe que lleva la pizza y es un 5.